Hi everyone, I am Michael Obudu and a business journalist. Today we are diving into a topic that affects our wallets and the economy, inflation. So what exactly is inflation? Now imagine your favorite ball of kinky costing say 2 cedis a few years ago and now it's 5 Ghana cedis. That's inflation in action, the gradual increase in the prices of goods and services over time. Why does this matter? Picture that dream car you've been eyeing. If there's inflation, by the time you've saved up, the price might have inflated too. That's why inflation matters. It affects how much our money can buy. But wait, here's the twist: deflation. This is when prices actually drop. That's if they ever happen in this side of town. Sounds awesome, right? Well, not always. If prices nosedive too much, it can signal economic trouble, affecting businesses and job opportunities. Tricky, huh? Now, here's a curveball. A drop in inflation doesn't always mean prices are dropping too. That's because inflation is like a speedometer, measuring how fast prices are rising. So if you are reducing your speed, it doesn't mean you are driving in reverse, like in the case of deflation. Make sense? Even if inflation slows, prices might still keep climbing, just at a slower pace. So why should we care? Because inflation and deflation impact everything from what we pay for rent, groceries, to how much we are earning. For us, it means planning for the future, whether it's saving up for that dream house or knowing how our money might stretch over time. Understanding these economic forces help us make smarter financial decisions. So keep an eye on those prices of goods, folks. They might be telling you more about the economy than you think. Well, I hope all that helped. Got any more questions about money matters or anything else? Drop a comment and I might be answering that in my next video. Well, my name is Michael Obudu, MO for short. Thank you for watching, and as always, please stay safe and catch you on the next tape.